Yo, what's up guys? Today I'll show you how to get free lifetime subscription in KineMaster and to remove watermark. Alright, let's go to KineMaster guys. You will see in here there is watermark logo. Alright, let's put a video. You will see there is KineMaster logo there. And let's go to shop. You see guys, it's not subscribed yet. Alright, let's go home. Alright, let's go to Safari guys. Then type pandahelp.vip. I'll put the link in description so you guys just copy it. Click this regular guys. Then click download. Okay, this is the method to install the Panda helper. You guys just follow it. Click again guys to force loading. Okay, let's go to Panda helper. Okay guys, let's search for KineMaster. In this KineMaster, you can get free subscription lifetime. It also remove watermark, KineMaster logo, and all premium item in the shop. Alright, let's install. Guys, click this button download right above on the screen. Okay, it's already downloading. Click install, guys. Oops, I forgot to delete the old one. Let's delete it first, guys, to install the new one. Okay, let's go to KineMaster. Let's see if it's really get the subscription and remove the watermark logo. Click allow, guys. Okay, you see there is no eraser logo in here. Let's put a video. Okay, you see there is no watermark logo in here. Okay, now let's go to shop. Click agree and continue. Okay, you can see in here, guys. You can download the premium item. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.